years old and doing this I Am Worldwide for 2 years. Ito na po yung nakuha nating resulta, ang ating first car dito sa I Am Worldwide.
Just mention people blinded by the hunger. It's like that old saying, what don't kill you make you stronger. My ambition seeing double going 0 to 100.
Isa po akong guro but ginagawa ko itong I Am Worldwide as part-time. I'm giving my full time as well for my child. So lahat po yan po pwede naman talaga natin hati-hatiin ang oras natin para sa mga goals na gusto nating makamtan dito sa I Am Worldwide.
Never back down, you must believe. Never back down, you can't stop me. Never back down, you must believe. Never back down.
Former employee po tayo. So right now, eto na po yung ating resulta na nakuha doing the business in I Am Worldwide in 1 year.
Dati akong estudyante, no? Isa sa mga mahiyain na nagsimula dito sa business. Pero dahil nalampasan natin yon, ito na yung resulta natin.
Till I can see inside the pain is nostalgic. Ain't listening to no logic. Cause everything they taught us you can't read.
Dahil sa pandemic, nag-close yung aming store. Praise God, nagkaroon ng pagkakataon ng opportunity itong I Am Worldwide. Kung may nagsara, may nag-open naman. So, praise God.
In-encourage namin na mag-join kayo dito dahil napakasaya dito.
And former hotel and restaurant crew, ginagawa ko po yung business and nagkaroon po ako ng sariling sasakyan doing that I Am Worldwide.
My name is Mentor Jessa Olbinar, 23 years old, doing this business as part-time. Tubong vehicle po tayo at doing this business 1 year and 6 months nakuha po natin ito and right now driving na po tayo ng sarili nating sasakyan. I am Trixie Precioso, 21 years old, doing the business part-time. At the age of 21, I got my own car.
OFW po ako from Spain. Nag-work na din po ako doon for how many years. I-goal po natin na magkaroon din tayo ng ating result dito sa business or makakuha din po tayo ng ating car para makasama po tayo sa mga ganitong klaseng activity.
I am Ed Lily Sayunal, isang bartender.
I am Richelle Grifalda Rional, former hotelier. Mag-asawa po namin ginagawa ang business and doing the business po, nakuha namin yung first car namin dito sa I Am Worldwide.
Without a trace.
Para sa mga part ng Unstoppable Wita Club, we're so excited na makasama kayo dito. At para sa mga makakapanood ng video na to, I highly encourage you na maging part, alamin, at mag-observe kung anong meron sa community na to. Kasi naniniwala kami kung nangyari sa amin, posible din na mangyari sa inyo.
Somebody to someone, oh, I wanna be somebody to someone, oh, I never had nobody and no road home, I wanna be somebody to someone.
Huwag mo nang palampasin ang kada taon na walang nangyayari sa'yo. Okay? Kaya pagtulungan natin yung success mo para at very young age, pare-pareho nating ma-enjoy kung gaano kasarap ang promise ng network marketing and ng I Am Worldwide.
Someone to you, someone to you, someone to you.
Alam niyo mga mens, we are now here at My Canopy at Tagaytay and it's very inspiring, it's so refreshing and you deserve to be part of this experience. Once you release this first car of yours, it's giving you the opportunity to share, to inspire, and at the same time, to have that kind of privilege that we are experiencing right now.
I just wanna be somebody to someone, oh, I wanna be
this is our third fan drive namin. So, I encourage po sa lahat ng hindi pa nakakasama right now na, mens, sumama ka na next time. I-represent mo yung team mo. Diba? Kasi sobrang saya. Grabe yung upgrade na ginagawa ni Mentor Jean para sa ating mga car achievers. Diba? Ikaw na lang yung kulang. Team mo na lang yung kulang. So, excited kaming makasama.
Someone to you, someone to you, someone to you, someone to you. The kingdom come, the rise, the fall, the Satan shine above it all.
Hi everyone! This is Jean Burgos Mantala, founder of Team Unstoppable. And right now, nandito tayo sa My Canopy here in Tagaytay for our 3 days bonding ng mga car achievers. Grabe no? Yearly natin itong ginagawa and habang ginagawa natin ito taon-taon, dumadami din yung mga car achievers ng team. So sobrang saya lang na gawin yung negosyo. Yes, mahihirapan ka, pero ito yung fruit of our labor na nag-e-enjoy ka at the same time. Kaya abangan mo next year, ano kaya ang pakulo ng Team Unstoppable Car Achievers. Kaya kailangan next fan drive ng team natin, dapat kasama ka na.
Someone to you, someone to you, someone to you.
Again, this is Jean Mantala and I am Worldwide.